Trucks. Wow. Build sheet and everything. Oh. Is that for skirts? Wow. Big enough turbo, buddy? 6.7 turbo diesel. I wonder how much pounds of boost.
Like a 5-inch exhaust.
That's it? Same work, eh? It might be buddies or something. Yo, Dufferin's here, eh?
Yeah.
Dufferin.
I was gonna say, we're gonna see Zach rep too. You're like, fuck.
Yeah, honestly, me exactly.
Oh. Damn. Gosh. This guy's legit. I want to hear this thing though. Yeah, because lightweight, bro, lightweight. Oh, dude, yo, check this, check the inside, bro.
Oh shit.
It's literally lightweight. Wow.
And then he put subs in it. Put a bunch of weight back in it. Probably all the weight back there. Cut the floor out.
Holy. That's sick. I'm in. Alright, let's go to the media thing. Yeah. What are you running? What exhaust?
What?
What exhaust are you running? Nice, man. The Ram's going.
Hold on. Alright, vote once, vote loud. The drop.
Yeah!
Volkswagen.
Yeah, he